Hi everyone, this is Kiran sir. In the last class, we have completed the expansion of x plus a whole power n and important points of the expansion of x plus a whole power n. Now we are going to see the concept of standard results of binomial coefficients. Next concept is standard results of binomial coefficients, which are called binomial coefficients in the expansion of x plus a whole power n. In the expansion of x plus a whole power n, nc0, nc1, nc2 and so on, ncn and so on, ncr and so on, ncn are called the binomial coefficients in the expansion of x plus a whole power n, where nc0, nc1, nc2 and so on, ncr and so on, ncn are called the binomial coefficients. For these all binomial coefficients, there we have some standard results. What are the standard results of the binomial coefficients? What are the standard results of the binomial coefficients? See this one. Come to the first standard result of the binomial coefficients. The first standard result is like this. Formula of NCR. The formula of NCR is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Entire in the chapter binomial theorem, wherever a binomial coefficient is given and which is in the form of NCR, for finding the value of NCR, apply this formula. It is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. But to apply this formula, to get the value of NCR, there we have two conditions. First condition is where n is greater than or equals to r. Second condition, 0 less than or equals to r less than or equals to n. So these are the two conditions to apply this formula for finding the value of NCR. For suppose the given problem is like this. Find the value of 5C2. Find the value of 5C2. To get the value of 5C2, now we are applying this standard result or standard formula. It is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. To apply this formula, check the conditions of n and r. Check the conditions of n and r. See this one. First of all, the binomial coefficient 5C2 is in the form of NCR. 5C2 is in the form of NCR, where n equals to 5 and r equals to 2. 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2. That means n is greater than r. n is greater than r. 5 is greater than 2. First condition satisfied. Now check that the second condition. Second condition is 0 less than or equals to r less than or equals to n. What is the value of r in 5C2? In 5C2, the value of r equals to 2. The value of r equals to 2. Now 2 lies between. And 0 less than or equals to 2 less than or equals to n means 5. That means the value of 2 lies between 0 and 5. The number 2 lies between 0 and 5. And both the conditions are satisfied. In case of both the conditions are satisfied, now apply this formula for finding the value of 5C2. So these are the two conditions for finding the value of NCR by applying this formula. For suppose the given binomial coefficient is like this. For suppose the given binomial coefficient is like this. 4C5. So to find out the value of 4C5, now we are applying the formula of NCR. The given binomial coefficient 4C5 is in the form of NCR, but to apply the formula of NCR, compulsory the given binomial coefficient 4C5 satisfying these two conditions. Check that the first condition, it is n is greater than or equals to r. What is the value of n in the given binomial coefficient? Where n equals to 4. and r equals to 5. But always 4 is less than 2 5. Always 4 is less than 2 5. And n is greater than or equals to r అనే condition not satisfied. In case of any one of these two conditions not satisfied, in case of any one of these two conditions not satisfied, then there is no chance to find out the value of 4c5 by using this formula n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Now no chance to find out the value of 4c5 by applying this formula. That means enter in this chapter binomial theorem. If the binomial coefficient is in the form of NCR, for finding the value of that binomial coefficient, compulsory these two conditions are satisfied. In case of these two conditions are satisfied, now then apply this formula to get the value of NCR. Otherwise there is no chance to apply this formula. So this is the first standard result. This is the first standard result. See this one. Now see the example on the formula of NCR. Now see the example on the formula of NCR. For suppose the given binomial coefficient is like this. Find the value of 5c2. Find the value of 5c2. Now it is in the form of NCR. Check that the two conditions where 5 is greater than 2, first condition satisfied. The value of r equals to 2, which lies between 0 and 5, which lies between 0 and n, ante 0 and 5. So both the conditions are satisfied. Now apply the formula of NCR for finding the value of 5c2, where n equals to 5, r equals to 2. Now the formula is like this: 5 factorial by n factorial by n minus r factorial. That means 5 minus 2 factorial into r factorial, that equals to 2 factorial. If that equals to 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 means 3 factorial into 2 factorial. If that equals to 5 factorial means product of first 5 consecutive natural numbers. 5 factorial means product of first 5 consecutive natural numbers. 3 factorial means product of first 2 consecutive natural numbers. 2 factorial means product of first 2 consecutive natural numbers, where 1 2 3 cancel, 2 in 4 2 times, that equals to 2 into 5, that equals to 10. So finally the value of 5c2 equals to 10. So this is the process for finding the value of binomial coefficient. It is in the form of NCR. Wherever a binomial coefficient is in the form of NCR, for finding the value of NCR, apply the formula. It is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. But to apply this formula, compulsory the given two conditions are satisfied. What is the first condition? N is greater than or equals to r. What is the second condition? 0 less than or equals to r less than or equals to n. So this is information about first standard result. It is NCR equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, clear na? See the second standard result. See the second standard result. The second standard result is like this. The value of NCR is equals to NC n minus r. The value of the binomial coefficient. NCR is always equals to NC n minus r. To understand this standard result, take one example. For suppose the given binomial coefficient is like this: 5c2. Let 5c2 equals to, next after that find the value of 5c3. The given two binomial coefficients are like this. First one is 5c2 and the second one is 5c3. Now find the value of 5c2 by using the standard result of NCR. 5c2 means 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 and 3 factorial into 2 factorial. If that equals to 5 factorial means product of 5 consecutive natural numbers. It is 120 by 3 factorial 6 2 factorial 2. See this one. Now 6 2s 12. 12 in 120 10 times. Now the value of 5c2 equals to 10. The value of 5c2 equals to 10. Come to the value of 5c3. Now apply the formula of NCR. 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 factorial ante 2 factorial into r factorial ante 3 factorial. Again the value of 5 factorial is equals to 120. 2 factorial means 2. 3 factorial 6. That equals to 120 by 12. 12 in 120 10 times. That equals to 10. That means both the values of 5c2 and 5c3 are equal. So from this example, we conclude that the value of NCR equals to NCN minus R. That means see this one. First of all, take the first binomial coefficient. It is 5c2. 5c2 equals to, see this one. It is in the form of NCR. It is in the form of NCR. NCR equals to NC n minus R. And 5c 5 minus 2. 5c 5 minus 2. 5c 5 minus 2. If that is equals to 5c3, that equals to 5c3. That means always both the values of 5c2 and 5c3 are equal. So the values of 5c2 and 5c3 equals to 10. So this is the second standard result, that is NCR equals to NC n minus R. The given binomial coefficient is 5c2. It is in the form of NCR. So now apply the second one, NC n minus R. That means 5c 5 minus 2. 5c 5 minus 2 means 3. The value of 5c2 always equals to 5c3. 5c2 5c3 ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయా లేదో మనం ఆల్రెడీ ముందే చెక్ చేయించాం. ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ 5c2 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 10. ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ 5c3 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 10. దట్ మీన్స్ ఆల్వేస్ 5c2 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 5c3. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ది సెకండ్ స్టాండర్డ్ రిజల్ట్. It is NCR equals to NC n minus R. That is the example on the second standard result. For suppose the given binomial coefficient is like this. The given binomial coefficient is like this. 6c4 equals to 6c4 equals to. Now it is in the form of NCR. It is in the form of NCR. NCR equals to NC. N ante 6. 6c. N minus R ante 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. If that implies 6c4 equals to 6c. 6 minus 4 means entante 2. So both the values of 6c4 and 6c2 always equal. So this is the second standard result, that is NCR equals to NC n minus R. For suppose we are finding both the values of 6c2 and 6c4. The value of 6c4 is like this 15. The value of 6c2 also like this 15. Now 15 equals to 15. That means both the binomial coefficients 6c2 and 6c4 always equal. So this is the second standard result, that is NCR equals to NC n minus R. So second standard result and its example. Now we are going to see the third standard result. So third standard result కాన్సెప్ట్ మనం నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో కంటిన్యూ చేద్దాం. ఎందుకంటే వీడియో మ్యాక్సిమం మనకి 15 మినిట్సే అప్లోడ్ చేయడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. అందుకని ఈ క్లాస్ ఇక్కడ స్టాప్ చేస్తున్నాను. వాట్ ఈస్ ది నెక్స్ట్ స్టాండర్డ్ రిజల్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది బైనామియల్ కోఎఫిషియంట్స్. సో దాని కాన్సెప్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ స్టాప్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.